Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. If you could tell from the thumbnail, we got new taillights. These are $1,300 taillights from Alfissimo or wherever you guys go, if you're going from the dealer or whatever the case may be. I personally did not pay $1,300. I don't really know what I paid because I bought a whole bunch of different things that I haven't showed you guys yet, but these were somewhere south of $1,300, like 900, 800. I don't know. Depends on how
Are you trying to say less?
Depends on how you break it up.
Why do you say south? I just threw us all off.
What, down? South is down?
I know, but like, why would you say south?
Somewhere south of that price.
South of 1,300.
South of, that makes sense.
Some people just say less.
South of 1,300 is down.
I understand what you're saying. It doesn't make sense.
Do you know where south is? North and south?
You put them together, doesn't make sense.
Anyways, I paid south of $1,300.
It's so stupid.
That sounds pretty smart to me. Paid south of that price. What? You've never heard of that before?
No.
Bro, south. Like, I paid south of that price.
People say I got a really good deal.
Yeah, I paid south.
Cheaper, or discounted.
South.
Sure, honey. Yeah. We paid south.
Alright, let me start my intro over again.
Let's go. Let's put these north.
Come on, man.
Put these tail lights on so we can go east.
Now I have to redo my intro. Good.
Why? Why? You're on a roll there.
You could tell from the thumbnail we have bought way overdue taillights for this car. Fun fact, you're not going to see it in this video, but we bought taillights for all the cars for the most part with the FRS and the C8. But we're only doing these today. These are, I think, at the dealer and on Alfissimo and whoever you guys are buying from, they're like $1,300 plus shipping or whatever the case may be. These are very expensive taillights, something around $1,500 I would assume, give or take, delivered to your door from the dealer, probably a little bit more because dealer likes to overcharge. We did not pay that price. I can't really tell you what we paid for it. Not that I'm trying to hide it, it's just we bought a plethora of parts and that was kind of like in the price of things. So I would say like a little less than $1,500. If you're asking yourself, hey, is the $1,500 worth it? Can I do that? You sure can. It is not worth it though. There's really not that major of a difference. That's just a clear lens versus the red. But I really wanted them. If you guys remember a few years ago, like a year ago, we did them on the Stelvio. They've been here. And I really wanted them for a really long time. I just never made sense to buy them. And then I bought the package of parts. And I kind of just worked this into the deal, and I got them. And I was probably thinking to yourself, you're probably like, where you got a 4C and doesn't care about Giulia content anymore? No, that's not true. We still have a ton of stuff to do. The 4C was actually completely left field. But unfortunately, it's doing really well on Instagram, hence why you're seeing a little bit more of those videos. But we have, I can't stress enough how much we have for the Giulia. I know sometimes we could just keep gassing it up, but I promise you we're not just gassing it up. I really need to get started on this car. But things keep, as you said, just keep coming up. All right, so we're going to show you guys how to install these. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We've done a lot of taillights here. We're going to walk you through the simple process. If you're looking at these and you're like, wow, just hurry up and get to the install already, we'll leave it down below. You can just click around and do all that good stuff. First things first, open the trunk.
Oh, wow.
Wow, don't pay attention to anything that's in here.
What? All right.
Yeah, there's stuff in here. Sorry, guys. You know, this is the life of a real enthusiast. You know, we just have stuff laying around and...
I don't know, that's the thing. Here you go, honey.
I'm a real enthusiast, dude. I'd be really doing stuff out here. Should I do the easy ones first? Well, they're all easy. This is really easy. That's all. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, look at that. It was an 8. 8mm, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 2 of them. I don't know if you guys can see it. One right here, one right here. You're going to take those off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. 2 of them off. You're going to unplug this. Because we've done this once or twice. It's already loose. First time you do that, it may not be as loose. You're going to take this off. Wow. This is the old one. Taillights will be for sale if you want them because I got to recuperate some funds. Because, you know, side-by-side comparison. Look at that. Wow. Even look at, they went the extra mile and painted that black. Thanks, Alfa Romeo. Wow, look at that.
No.
I wonder if you just crack these open if they look the same on the inside.
Oh, let's try.
Let's try. We have enough. We have 5 sets. Oh, yeah. That's it.
Okay.
All you're paying for is a clear lens, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we turn it on.
$1,500, huh?
$1,500 for that.
Nice.
Nice. I sure wouldn't pay that, but I sure did anyways. Content.
Well, you got the cool girl discount.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I don't want it to fall. But...
Oh, that'd be depressing.
Can you imagine? Crack. I don't even know if you can just buy one off. I think you have to buy like the whole set. I know a lot of you guys want to know if the 4C started already. We don't know yet. We tried to kink it over. Then I got nervous and I just thought we should just replace the oil and do a Coleman flush before we actually start doing that. So we are going to just do that the right way. And the dealer was supposed to get my stuff already, but they had a little bit of a delay. So I'm not going to get my stuff up until the 21st, which is crazy long time to wait. It's actually not that crazy, but it's really annoying because I was hoping I would get it a little bit sooner than that. Everything else is here except for the spark plugs, and the spark plugs is like the #1 thing that I need, which is the confusing part. That's what I need, sir.
No. Look at that.
Wow, that's one done. Okay. And then we're going to take this back here. You're going to have clips because I've bragged through my stuff so many times. I don't have clips here. You're just going to kind of pull it up. Don't pay attention to that.
Oh, wow.
Pull that back a little bit. And you see this in here? Can you see? Can you?
Let me see.
It's like this. I don't know if you guys can see me twisting it, but it's in there.
You need some light? Maybe? Oh, I was hoping. Oh, there you go.
There you go. There you go. You're going to twist that off. Boom, in hand. That's all that is.
Oh.
And then unclip it. Be whip. Alrighty. You're gonna plug that in.
Where's your package?
And we're gonna drop this. Ta-da!
Wow.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Alrighty. $1,500 later. It doesn't quite turn on. Wow.
It's dead. Oh.
What? Wow, they turn on exactly the same. They just look a little cooler. Wow. You guys see it? Final thoughts?
Pretty cool. 1,500? No.
And what if I paid less than that? Like $800-900.
800-900?
Yeah. But then I get like $200 for my taillights. It's really like boy math, $600.
I'm okay.
$600 is a good deal.
Okay.
Now it's not FRS good deal. That was $85.
Well,
for
they
new
came
taillights.
broken, honey. So I would expect that.
Okay, well I feel like you're just being a deputy. $600 for the C8. That's what I paid for those.
$600 is a great deal for a C8.
Okay, you just like that car more. That has
Wow, what a fantastic!
There's literally no difference,
Oh
bro.
my God.
Oh, come on, man. That's the same shit,
Beautiful,
bro.
beautiful.
Come
I love
on.
saving money.
Those are American. This was imported from Italy.
What a great deal.
You're a hater, bro.
Maybe it's the car.
Yeah,
Maybe it's
you
this
don't.
piece of shit. How much did you pay?
You know, fun fact, when I used to sell cars, what I'll tell people is you're going to be a lot happier spending money to maintain your car within the car that you like versus a car that you didn't like. And that's how I convince people to buy expensive cars.
Manipulator.
Not a manipulator. It's true. I learned from experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a 99 Camry. Wow. Oil changes, that thing was a POS. Mini Cooper, motor blown. You know, things happen.
Come here, bring it in.
Bring it in. You know, some motors aren't meant to last forever.
Oh my God.
FRS, guys, let's talk about it. I know you guys hate it. I know it's not your favorite car. It is still a very...
Clearly, look at all the stuff around.
Okay.
It's our favorite. Look at
It's my favorite. Okay, I just had to move that over. Sorry, that was in my way.
No. Yeah,
But-
we just had to make some space in the Stelvio.
What do? I have a tons of parts for that car, and I need to put them on. I can't not put them on because you guys don't like the car. Maybe we do shorts? Will you guys support my shorts at least?
Yeah. Just send it to not your audience.
Send
it to the world.
You ungrateful people. And listen, guys, when I post a video and then I post a short right after, you guys have to watch the short too, okay? I know you guys already seen the video and you don't really care, but I only get paid for views, guys. You guys don't actually pay me. I don't have any memberships or anything weird like that. I just get paid off views, so come on, give me your time, guys. Just go watch my stuff, all right?
Please, sir.
Please, sir.
Give me some more.
Wow. Ugly. Look at that. Disgusting. Ugh.
Stop.
who, whatever. Actually, but not really. They're really good condition. If anybody wants to buy them, they are. They are
on sale right now.
They are for sale, guys.
Perfect.
They are in pretty decent condition.
Mint condition.
Alrighty, let's see how these go on. Let's righty tidy it up, guys. Look at that. Taillights are really easy if you don't have this cover on.
By the way, you're supposed to have this cover.
If you have the cover on, it makes it a little bit harder, guys. There's just a bunch of clips you gotta take out, and then they don't always go back the same. You gotta get new ones.
Yeah, so I would threw ours away, apparently.
Well, to be fair, I actually have no idea where it's at.
I don't either.
News to me. I ain't got no idea where that's at. Beep, 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 beep. On. Alrighty, and last one, last but not least, again, for me, no clips over here. For you, there should be some. Oh, come on. Stay there.
Embarrassing.
Come on.
It's okay.
Zip tie you on. Don't move anymore. Oh, come on.
Okay, I'll hold it for you.
Off.
Wow. You're getting pretty good at that.
Yeah. You know, I've actually taken off a lot. We really do, not even kidding. We have about 4 sets of these.
That's crazy.
And this never gets easier. Beep, 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 beep. All gone. Boom. Look at that.
Wow.
Easy as pie. And we're gonna put this back in here. We're gonna put this back in here.
You think you go faster with them?
You probably won't go faster.
Oh, that's just funny.
Yeah, you think
for $1,500, I would expect some. A little bit.
I know you Corvette people expect that.
Sorry, it just comes natural to us.
Alright, one last time. Wow. Sick. If you're watching the video, I truly appreciate it. Most people, I don't think you guys really need a how-to on how to do taillights, but this was that for in case you needed it. For the Giulia, same concept on the Stelvio, I guess.
Not how to, but it's nice to see the side-by-side comparison between clear and regular.
What a better way to position that. Yeah.
I'm a content creator.
Yeah, content creator. Look at you. Yeah, I don't know. We got a lot of stuff to kind of do here. I don't know what content you guys would rather see. If you guys would rather see the Giulia, you want me to see keep building the 4C, you guys let me know. 4C is going to take at least a week. I think the next video is going to be a 4C video, and that's where we're going to try to start it. I get the spark plugs the 21st, which is Tuesday. I'm going to drop them in. Tomorrow I'm going to change the oil, do a cool and flush. We're going to put the spark plugs in, and then we're going to yeet it, and then see what goes from there.
Nice.
And then the video after that should be this car. I have no idea what we're going to do with this car.
We're going to crash it.
We have too much. A lot of stuff. I can't even tell you where to start.
Every car has a list.
Every car has a list. The only car that doesn't have a list is a Stelvio right here. This guy has nothing planned. Well, we do have like 3 tunes for it, but
What's the mom car?
I get lazy to put them on.
It's perfect the way it is. I love my Stelvio, and I will die on that hill.
I think the Stelvio is the perfect SUV.
It really is.
I genuinely die on the Stelvio hill.
I use it every day.
I think it's...
Every
look
day.
Look it. You don't believe us? Hold on.
Oh no, don't show them that.
It's okay. It's really bad in there.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's a mess. Look at that. Boom. If you needed to carry your work wheels, it carries work wheels perfectly fine. And these all had tires on it at one point. And I got them stripped down. As you can tell, we're putting work wheels on the FRS over there. So there's that.
I love my Stelvio. I don't care what it says.
We treat this very unkind. I know some people are like, treat this really good. Not me. This is...
But she can take it.
Yeah.
So
She takes a beating. Anyways, I appreciate you guys joining one of our TED Talks and coming with us to install taillights that we didn't need. Appreciate you guys showing up all the time. Supporting, doing stuff. I know you guys weren't really messing with the Corvette content, but I feel like you guys are just haters on the car.
Aw, I love my Corvette.
We could have went so hard on the Vet. That's your guys' fault. We could have put a lot of money into this.
I mean, we're going to do that on the side.
We're going to do it on the side. You're just not going to see any of it. So, sucks to you guys.
Fault.
Your fault. Should have supported it.
I drive this cool car. No one's going to know.
There's a hood that I want for this car. It is very expensive. It's like $5,000. I guarantee it's nothing you've seen. But I really want. I've been talking to the company. I'm like, please send me one that's in production, please.
I'll do anything.
I'll do anything, please. It's a really sick. It's like, yeah. I can't tell you anything about it because I don't have it yet.
You guys don't deserve it.
You guys don't deserve. You honestly, you don't deserve nothing. You guys don't support what it needs to. The C8 was such a cool car.
It's a cool car. I like it.
Yeah, I really like that car. But nothing compares to the FRS. Wow, what a chassis.
Slow.
Crystal's been
smells in there.
Oh, okay. Crystal's been driving it a lot more. We did like a full service on this thing. We got it is running like a champ. Mind you, 30,000 miles, 4C, 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles. Workhorse, 100,000.
Stelvio is putting in some work.
Yeah, I really got to take care of it.
I'm telling you, I would die on that hill. It's my favorite.
My neighbor over there ran into me like 2 years ago. And I saw him and fixed it. I went to go get PDR. I'm like, you know what? Let me just fix the problem.
Oh, the dent.
I went to go do a PDR place. I'm like, hey guys, help me out. How much is it gonna cost me? Like $1,000. You know what? It's fine with the dent. I don't really care.
It's really okay.
I really don't give a shit. It's fine.
You can't even tell.
It looks good. It looks good in multicolor red. Every once in a while, like somebody who doesn't really watch the channel comes back like, why is your car like a whole bunch of different colors? They really don't know how to blend. No, guys, it's just a whole bunch of different panels. We just really haven't put the bandwidth together to paint it all one color.
But it's our favorite. I don't care.
But it is our favorite. We honestly can't even afford to paint it because we can't afford to be down without this car. That's how much we like it. That's how much we like it.
Yeah, we all fit in there.
So,
nice and comfy.
Someone a long time ago would comment on every one of my videos saying, do a comparison versus the Giulia versus Stelvio. Do a comparison versus Giulia versus Stelvio. There's your comparison. Stelvio, all the way.
If you're single,
yeah. No kids.
Hot, ready to go. Just kidding.
Don't buy either one of these. No, I'm just Don't buy none of these cars. No, I'm just kidding. No, the Giulia's a good car for that. It's a good daily commuter if you're just like by yourself, single.
I mean, your kids will fit in there. It's just
not comfortable. We were with our firstborn in that. Wasn't that comfortable.
2 kids?
2 kids? Get this good old Stelvio.
Yeah.
3 kids? Don't get any of them. Back to none of these cars. Yeah. I am looking at a 3rd row car. Guys, give me some recommendations down here. Most of you guys probably didn't even make it this far, so you're not going to give me any recommendations. But if you did happen to make it this far, help me out. Odyssey, Durango. What else has the 3rd row?
I'll rock a minivan.
Suburban.
Those are big, like
gas. We really don't have space. Put a big Tahoe out in the front. Yeah.
It throws up the aesthetic too.
Yeah, it throws up. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Don't look at all the car seats. Look at that.
Don't look at all the car seats.
All right, guys. Done enough yapping. Appreciate you guys if you stayed this long. And if you didn't stay this long, you just stayed for 10 minutes. You know.
I appreciate that.
Appreciate that too. It's a little lazy of you, but I appreciate it. And the birds are here. South, it's like a thing.
I've never heard that. And if someone texted me that, I would, what the fuck? Go take a nap. Go take a nap.
Like, I paid south of that price.
Go take a walk.
That's a thing. It's like, you've never heard of that before?
No, dude. Whenever I sell things, I don't say, south of, north of. Are you going to say if it's more expensive, it's north?
Yeah.
That's gay. That's not it.
Come on, dude.